You can be free to believe any beautiful dream that may cross your mind, but if you don't believe in yourself, nothing will happen. There are many who say that success comes from doing what others expect of you, while there are those who believe that success comes from fulfilling your own dreams. No matter what your view on it is, dreams will always lead to success no matter how many people tell you otherwise. However, the question remains, what if I could take the power from my imagination and use it to create my own reality? Imagination is the capacity to use your imagination in an unlimited way. It can be used to overcome obstacles, it can be used to make miracles, and it can even be used to live a perfect and happy life. Just imagine what it would feel like to have a successful business, or to be able to meet your own goals. You can do anything with your imagination. Here are some simple ways in which you can utilize the power of your imagination to achieve your dreams. Think positive. One of the most important success tips to follow when trying to make your dreams a reality is to always imagine a positive outcome. If you want something bad enough, you will push through the pain and doubt just to get what you want. However, when you imagine a positive outcome, you'll be able to push through and continue to dream. This may sound counterintuitive, but if you can imagine a situation in which you will have a lot of money, you will tend to want it more, even if it isn't real. Think big. People often say that the sky is the limit when it comes to living life to the fullest. However, sometimes you have to look small and practical to achieve great things in life. When you look at life in terms of large and small dreams, you will find that you have a better chance at actually achieving those dreams. So, instead of living a mediocre life and hoping for greatness, why not try to live a life that is much more proactive and goals-oriented? Stop wasting time. Sometimes you spend so much time thinking about what you don't want, that you never get around to doing what you really want to do. When you ask, why life can be what you imagine if you let it. You need to stop wasting time and start doing what you really want. Create a visionary dream. You don't have to look to the future to find your dreams. Simply, use imagination to create a vision of how your life could be. If you don't know exactly what your dreams are right now, simply imagine what you would like your perfect life to look like, and keep writing it down until you have reached it. Use imagination to fuel your goals. You may have to wait for your dreams to come true, but once they do, using your imagination will help you reach them sooner. Simply, think about how good you want your life to be, and keep writing it down until you are where you want to be. When you use your imagination to fuel your goals, it will allow you to focus on what it is you really want instead of focusing on the obstacles that may stand in your way. When your goals are clear, it will also make reaching them more likely. Use imagination to change the world around you. If there were no imaginations, there would be no creative people on the planet. Everyone has an imagination, and sometimes it can reach great heights. When you are not living your life as you want to live, it can sometimes hinder the opportunities that are available to you. By using your imagination, you can change the world around you, and see things that you never thought possible. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. For watching more videos like this, press the bell icon below to get the latest notifications of updates. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.